Welcome back to the Hustle Garage channel. How is everyone going? The reason the car is jacked up is because we're going to make this 370Z even louder. What that means is I've got a set of test pipes that I've been holding on to almost a year now. Yes, I just hold parts and yeah. If you guys don't already know, I've got a full Fast Intentions catback exhaust and NVIDIA high flow cats. I'm going to take the high flow cats off and then put the test pipes on. I've got NVIDIA test pipes as well, and let's make this baby even louder than what it is. I'll see if I'll keep the test pipes on or if I'll change it back to the high flow cats. Insert some clips on what the car sounds like now. I've done like a full walkthrough on how to install high flow cats and test pipes before. I'm very excited. It's hot. I'm already sweating, so this will be a fun day. Nice warm day in the garage. The first bolt I'll probably tackle is the Demon bolt, the bolt that is all the way down there and all the way down there. If you guys haven't heard of the Demon bolt, the stock ones are horrible to work with because they're like rusted and they're corroded and stuff because test pipes go onto the headers. Yeah, have fun with that. Here are the test pipes. Nothing too fancy, it's just a pipe. I've got these O2 sensor extenders here that will help not throw any codes or anything. The one on the 370Z, you need a 22mm O2 sensor socket. This is a specialized tool because it does have this cutout for where the O2 sensor sits. I do highly recommend you buy this. Circle where the Demon bolt is right now. On this side as well. That was actually really easy because of the new bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 extensions, swivel joint at the end, a 14mm socket. For this part of the exercise, an impact gun will do you wonders. Highly recommend. If you work for DeWalt or if you know anyone that works for DeWalt, let me know if we can work together because love your product. This has literally changed the game for me and I love this thing. If the angles are really bad, I apologize. It's been a while since I've been under the car like this. The things I'm going to take off first are the O2 sensors. These might be on really tight. Sensors are just on by these connectors here. You push that tab down and then you just pull it off. Oh, so that was on really freaking tight. Both the O2 sensors are done. Make sure you know which one goes on which side. Pretty sure that's important to know. Not sure if they're universal for both sides. I'll take this brace off here and then we'll get to the bolts, other bolts to the headers up here. These header bolts up here, there's one here and this one on top here. These can be a bit tricky to get to. We shall see how it goes. This one here is a stud and a nut. So this stud is attached to the header up here. It's a bit hard to show you guys everything that I'm doing just because it's up here and I need 2 hands to do this and record. So I pretty much need 3 hands to do everything here. If I had 3 hands and 3 arms, then I would show you guys. Yeah, unfortunately we don't. You know how I said there's one stud that's connected to the header? You can take the bolt off, or you just be like me and spend 15-20 minutes taking the whole freaking stud out. This was such a pain because you can only get a ratchet in there and you only have this much space to loosen it up. But we have gotten all the bolts from the test pipes to the headers. Now all we need to do is take these off and then this cat will be down. And just like that, in about 30 to 40 minutes, both cats are out. I'm going to reuse pretty much everything, all the gaskets, everything, reuse them onto the test pipes. Actually, I might start the car up now, see what it sounds like just from the headers. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna do it real quick. Holy crap, that is so loud. That scared the crap out of me. I'm like shaking. Alright, let's stop messing around. Let's get these test pipes back on. Yes, I haven't shown you much because it's pretty much everything in reverse. I didn't really want to show you because it would be kind of boring. Test pipes are in. All these bolts here are all secured. I just need to do this one at the top. I'm just going to tighten this brace down and then put the O2 sensors in and then put the last bolt in, and then we'll start the car up and we'll go for a drive. That's actually not too bad of a job. So I started this at like 10:30, 10:45, and it's now 12:53, so 1 o'clock. That's probably the fastest that I've ever done this before. 2.5 hours to take the high flow cats out and put test pipes and record at the same time. Yeah, what? If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and smash that like and subscribe button. Okay, that was very interesting. Startup, it sounds the exact same as the high flow cats. Idle, it sounds the exact same on high flow cats. More of a warm start, it wasn't a real cold start. I think I might stick with the test pipes. The deciding factor is how smelly it gets in the cabin. Smell isn't too bad at the moment, but so good.